Okay, in the previous video what we have seen, we have seen the what is the we have seen a definition of a queue. Okay, so now we are going to see the operations. Okay, operations we have to perform on the queues and the features of the queue. Okay, so these things now we have to discuss. Okay, so in this, so this is a queue representation. Okay, so here it is having the two ends. One is the front end. Okay, so one is front end, one is a rear end. From this we are going to delete elements. From this the elements are going to enter. Okay, so before this one, now we'll see the features of the queue. Okay, so first feature, so the first feature, like a stack, queue also used, also an added list of elements of similar data types like a stack, like stacks. Queues also for storing the linear, okay, similar data items only. Okay, so the next one, so here we have to use FIFO technique. Q is based on the FIFO technique, means first in first out. Okay, the element which entered into the queue, it is going to delete first. The element which entered the last, it is going to last out. Okay, that is queue. That is a one more feature of the queue. Next, once a new element is inserted into the queue, then all the elements inserted before the new element in the queue must be removed to remove the element. Okay, like so already in queue four elements are there. Suppose if you are trying to enter the fifth element, you enter the fifth element also. So if you want to remove the fifth element, then what we have to do, first we have to remove the previous four elements, then you have to remove the, you can remove the fifth element. So that is a third point. Okay, so here we can use the peek. Okay, peek function is often used to return the value of the first element without delete dequeue. Okay, so whenever if you want to delete the element from the queue, we can take the peek function, then it will return the value, no, that is going to delete. So these are the features of the queue. Okay, okay, now we'll see the applications of the queue. Okay, so applications of the queue, so here what we are doing, the name suggests us whenever we need to manage any group of the objects in order in which the first one coming in also gets out the first while others wait for their turn. Okay, so the scenarios are like this. Suppose you have a printer, so you have given 10 prints, so which print it will come out first, which first document whatever you have printed, no, the first paper it will come out, so like that. Okay, so in CPU scheduling also, so like more processes are waiting, so which process are going to commit first, the process which comes to the CPU first, it is going to perform the first, so like that. And real life scenarios like a call center phone system, so in this, like a number of calls are waiting, the call center people, to which people they are going to connect, the first who which person he dialed the number, no, for his he will provide the services. Okay, so not only that one, and then handling the interrupts in a real time systems, the interrupts are handled in the same order as they arrive, first come first serve. Okay, so like which arrived first, it is going to complete first. Okay, so these are the real life scenarios of the queue. Okay, next, implementation of the queue. Okay,